Welcome back everyone. Today what we're going to do, bulk invite or bulk create a whole bunch of users in Azure Active Directory. Now, this is a pretty new feature. I haven't really done this too much myself, but we're going to go through this together. I don't think it's going to be too hard. First thing we'll do, log into the portal with our privileged access as usual. Click on Azure Directory here. We're going to start by creating a whole bunch of users in bulk. So we'll click users. And we'll select bulk activities. We'll go bulk create. We'll do a bulk invite a bit later. That's how we will bulk invite B2B users. Once this pops up, just click download. We're going to download the CSV template. This is the template we're going to fill in for those users. Open the file. So here what we have to do is we essentially just have to create a CSV file with all the details we need. Looking at the Microsoft documentation, we need to leave the version number on the top row. We obviously need to leave the headers on the second row. This row we should probably delete right at the end. Or you can delete it now, it doesn't really matter. What I'll do is I'll start by filling in 2 or 3 users. So let's say John Smith. And John Smith's username will be john.smith@houseofcloud.com.au. Password, we'll just create a password here. Okay. And we don't want to block the sign in on the first or on the logon. So we'll type no. First name will be John, surname will be Smith. I think it's a good idea to get the usage location as well. I'm hoping that it's just a 2-letter code, AU for Australia. I'm going to leave the rest empty because I can't really think of anything on the fly. Make another one called Joe Blow. Oops, joe.blow, houseofcloud.com.au. 1, 2, 3. Joe Blow AU. And we'll think of one more, maybe Terry Smith. Okay, there we go. Let's save this CSV. Just chuck it on my desktop for now. Back to Edge. So we've edited the CSV. Now we'll upload the CSV. It is. Submit. That looks like it's done. Okay. Let's hit refresh here. There we go. We've bulk created 3 users. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to bulk invite those users into one group. Just make sure they haven't already been assigned to this group, which is a company group. No, they haven't. It's good. So bulk activities. And we're going to select import members. We'll download the CSV. It's probably a bit different to the new user CSV. Okay, so here we have the same sort of setup. We have version number, which we must leave in place. We have the example, which turns out we can also leave in place. And then what we need to do is either fill the next rows with user principal name or the object ID. I'm going to use the user principal name because I can't be bothered looking for the object ID. Paste them back into here. Save the template. Don't know where that's saved, so I'll save it again on desktop. Okay, edited our CSV. Now we're going to upload the CSV. Submit it. Looks like we're done. Hit refresh. We should have all the users here now. So that's for the bulk user creation and bulk member update of groups. I don't think this is probably the most efficient way to do things, but it's part of the AZ 104 exam. So it's good if you know how to do it, but in practice, I would probably use something like PowerShell to do the same thing. Thanks, guys. Hope that was helpful.